Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a viral disease which is called chickenpox, or some people call it varicella. It is a very common disease in children. Definition: it is an acute infectious viral disease. Causative agent is varicella zoster virus or human alpha virus 3. At first, this virus produces chickenpox disease, and after healing, they can be hide their self and become latent in cranial nerves, sensory nerves or ganglia, spinal cord, dorsal root ganglia. After a long period, an older immunocompromised drug users and an immunocompromised people, in about 10 to 30% cases, this virus produce herpes zoster, or we call it shingles. It usually affect children less than 10 years old, but also affect older. Virus stays in oropharyngeal secretion, skin, mucosal layers. Transmission period: 1 to 2 days before rashes appear and up to 3 to 4 days after of rashes. Cases are high in winter and spring seasons. This virus can stay up to 2 days in environment. Use of detergents are highly effective against this virus. We come to the clinical features. Incubation period of this disease is 14 to 16 days or various 7 to 21 days. Clinical features are divided into two stages: pre-eruptive stage and eruptive stage. In pre-eruptive stage, suddenly fever, back pain, malaise, chills start and disappear in 24 hours. It is severe and older. We come to the eruptive stage. First time in children is rash which start with fever. Characteristic of rashes. Now number 1 is distribution. They start from body and goes to face and limbs. Also can affect mucous membrane of mouth and pharynx. Doesn't affect palm and sole. The second one is rapid evolutions. Means rashes quickly changes to macule, papule, vesicle and crust. Vesicle has transparent fluid and surrounded by inflammatory area. Third one is pleomorphism. Pleomorphism means vesicle, papule, crust can be seen at one time in an area. The fourth one is fever, getting high with new upcoming rashes. Now we come to the lab investigations. We can use PCR or polymerase chain reaction and direct immunofluorescence test. Now we come to complications: encephalitis, acute cerebral ataxia, hemorrhage, pneumonia, Reyes syndrome. It travels from placenta to fetus and causes congenital varicella syndrome. Complications and abnormalities in fetus are microphthalmia, chorioretinitis, deafness, atrophied limbs, cerebrocortical atrophy. The other complication is secondary infection, which can be seen as cellulitis, erysipelas, epiglottitis, osteomyelitis, and scarlet fever. Now we come to the control. How to control this virus? This disease doesn't has any specific drugs. Only one drug which can help is acyclovir. Acyclovir 20 mg per kg per QID used for 5 days. Maximum dose is 800 mg per day. Some important things that we must do are, the first one is notification. We must notify health centers. The second one is isolation. After appearing skin rashes, we must isolate the person for 6 days from healthy people. The third one we can do is disinfection. The material which were used by patient and became in touch with his or her nose and throat must be disinfected. Vaccines. Live attenuated vaccine for 12 to 18 months of children. There are two types of vaccine. One is monovalent vaccine, which we can do as single dose or double dose. In single dose, we do for 0.5 ml to 12 to 18 months old. Double dose under 13 years, and difference of 4 weeks we do 2 doses. Combined vaccine, measles, mumps, rubella and varicella. 9 months to 12-year children we can use it. In difference of 4 weeks we do 2 doses. Vaccine doesn't have any side effects. Only mild reaction may happen, like tenderness, small vesicular or maculopapular rashes, and arrhythmia. After vaccination, in between 6 weeks, never use aspirin or salicylate in children because there is a high risk of Reye syndrome. Passive immunity. There is varicella zoster immunoglobulin for those who are immunocompromised drug users, congenital defect in cellular immunity, has HIV, pregnant women who became in touch with virus, newborns, low birth weight and in premature burn. First dose is initially 72 hours and second dose after 3 weeks we can apply. 12.5 international unit per kg is used. Maximum dose is 625 international units.